Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve exercise 9.1 question number 3. Question is given that a contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have slides whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it's inclined at the angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas for elder children she wants to have a steep slide at a height 3 meter and inclined at 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slides in each case? Clear? Here given is here is given in two conditions. So first we draw a right angle triangle in first condition. For condition first, let we suppose AB is the height. This is 1.5 meter and AC is the slide. Clear? This is given that 1.5 meter and angle of elevation is equal to 30 degree. And for second condition second, this is the height of the slide. It is given that this is the 3 meter as 3 meter. This is PQ and this is the slides. It is given that 60 degree and R. PR is a slide. Clear? Now let AB is the height of slide for below the age of 5 years and AC is the length of slide. Now in a right angle triangle ABC, with respect to 30 degree, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. Here is 90 degrees, so it will be hypotenuse. Clear? Now in a right angle triangle ABC, we use PGT theorem, that means Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here hypotenuse square is equal to 1.5 meter. In right angle triangle ABC, it will be perpendicular, it will be base, and this is the hypotenuse. Now we use P and B, relation between P and B. It becomes in tan 30 degree is equal to P by B. Tan 30, that means 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 1.5 upon B. Clear? Here B is equal to 1.5 root 3. Clear? And we find hypotenuse, that means length of the slide. So we find the relationship between perpendicular and hypotenuse. It becomes in sine 30 degree is equal to P by H. That means sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to P 1.5 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to 1.5 multiplied 2, that means 3.0. So the length of slide is 3.0 meter for condition first. Now here in right angle triangle PQR, let we suppose that PQ is the height of slide and PR is the length. Clear? Now in right angle triangle PQR, we have to find PR. So we find the relationship between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Clear? Now this it becomes in sine 60 degree is equal to P by H. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to P upon H. Here P is equal to 3 meters, so root 3 by 2 is equal to 3 upon H. H is equal to 3 into 2 upon root 3. 3 into 2 upon root 3. H is equal to 3 into, it becomes root 3 to root 3. So the length of slide will be 2 root 3 meter. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.